Good medical morning. This is the Prince of Popping Watson with a great video about ethnic skincare expert Jada Kennedy. Jada is a licensed esthetician out of St. Louis, Missouri. She says, "Picking ingrown hairs and popping blackheads is my therapy. I don't just do extraction, I also do body waxing." She has a website which contains videos that were banned from YouTube and Facebook. Oh, before I continue, please check out this amazing pimple popper kit. There's an Amazon link below. She also has availability for booking, and she has exclusive videos on the site.
I extract with the naked eye, and sometimes I do look at the camera to make sure that you can see and it's got good clarity. But sometimes I have to, upload those blurry ones because they be some good ones.
She originally joined YouTube in 2007, and she currently has over 20 million video views. Her most popular video is called Urban Extractions number 14, and it has nearly 5 million views. Join me in telling her hello and welcoming her to the popping community by leaving her a comment below. Also, check out our website, waxpertloft.com.